It's the Lakers and the Clippers in the Staples Center Shootout Championship preseason. Kobe, meet Blake Griffin. Blake, the #1 pick overall in the draft. First quarter action, though, it's Baron Davis sharing with his old friend. That's DeAndre Jordan on the jam. 8 assists on the night for Baron. Then Kobe Bryant. Check out this move. Lefty all the way to the hole. Skies this one and brings it gently down through the net. He had 10 points. Then Baron passing, gets it right back, shoots the jumper, comfortably knocks that one in off the backboard. He had 16 points on the night. The Clippers in front early. How about Adam Morrison? They say he makes them all the time in practice. He was 4 of 4 from deep on the night. More Clippers this time. Craig Smith, little Moses Malone play here, gets his own rebound. He led everyone in scoring with 26 points. The Clippers looking good. They're up by 10, but Shannon Brown can throw down. Jams that one home. That cuts the lead down to 8. Still second quarter action. Lakers finding Tony Gaffney open for 3. He made both shots he took, and that cut into that Clipper lead. More Lakers. This is Andrew Bynum. Hoop and harm for the big man. He had 20 points and 13 rebounds. Just before the half, we go to the second half. Kobe Bryant working once again. Misses the lefty shot, but it's Bynum cleaning up where Kobe missed. So the Lakers dipping into that lead. They took their first lead of the night on that one, but it's Blake Griffin coming right back with the rebound jam. The Clippers up by 3, 66-63. Same score when Kobe goes to work. Circus me, falling over, throws it up over his head, and Kobe Bryant makes it. Then Derek Fisher, experience down low to Ron Artest, who gets the layup, and the Lakers starting to get a little lead. They're up 77-73. Then Jordan Farmar looking like a running back, just plowing through the Clippers. That extends the Lakers' lead to 85-77 in the fourth quarter. And Baron Davis looking and finding a long jump shot there. That cuts into that Lakers' lead. It's 85-83. More Clippers, more Blake Griffin. Huge throwdown over DJ Benga there. Blake Griffin keeping the Clippers in this thing. Adam Morrison then finding Jordan Farmar for the jumper. That extends the Lakers' lead to 6. And if you find Jordan Farmar, he'll find you right back. Morrison in the corner buries his own 3, and the Lakers win the Staples Center Shootout by the final of 114-108.